Hi everyone, I will show you how to install and configure Apache Tomcat server in Windows 10. So first you need to download the Tomcat server using the official site and download. So go for the official site tomcat.apache.org. Here there are the multiple versions available 8, 9 and 7. So you can click on 9 version, that is the latest version, and 10 is the beta version. So here we need to download the either core or full documentation or deploy version. That is not required as of now. We will go for the core version. So this is for running the applications. That is enough. So you need to download the zip version for Windows, and tar file is for Mac or Linux, 32 and 64-bit zip files. Else you need to go for the 32 or 64-bit Windows installer. So I'm going for the Windows Service Installer. Click on this. So I have already downloaded, so I'm pausing it. So in folder I'll show you that. So this is already downloaded. Right click on the downloaded folder, click open. So it will ask the user action for installing. Click yes. So follow the on-screen instructions for installing the Apache Tomcat. Click next. Agree. Normal. You can use full installation. It will come all this. Tomcat menus, documentation, manager, host manager, everything will come. Click next. By default, Tomcat will come with the port 8080. So please note here one thing. So server shutdown port, that is 8005, is required. By default it is coming with the -1. If you are not changing this, the Tomcat is not running in your Eclipse or STS. So I am keeping as it is, and we will see whether it is run or not. Now I am going with the default credentials. I am not giving any login username password, and I'm clicking on next. By default, Tomcat server will come with the 8080 port. Click next. So here also one thing you want to note, because without Java you don't, or without Java you are not able to install Tomcat. That is mandatory. Click next. This is the installation folder where the destination Tomcat files will be available. Click install. It takes a while, and till now you can check we have successfully installed the Tomcat server in Windows 10. And this one show readme file if you want. Then I am manually starting the Tomcat server. Click finish. And you want to check the Tomcat server, you can go manually with the folder. Click program files, Apache Software Foundation, Tomcat now. Continue. Here binary folder. This is the Tomcat server application. You can right click and run, or you can double click on this, it will run. Instead of that, one more way how to run with help of services using the Tomcat, using the task manager services. You can find the Tomcat service here, Tomcat 9. You can right click and start service. This is how you want to start the service. As of now I am not starting the service. Okay, fine. Then I am going to the STS, create one project, new dynamic web project. Dynamic web project in the sense this is web based application, then only will recognize the Tomcat server. Then I am giving the web app. So a target runtime I am not giving anything. Later we can choose, or if you want to choose right now you can choose here also, and use the default configuration. Click next. Next. Please make sure generate web.xml file, that is the deployment descriptor. It will create the default pages while running the application. click finish. We are not starting the Tomcat server, we can start after creating the web project. It is asking for you to install the dynamic web facet. So immediately after creating the project, you can right click, properties, add project facets, dynamic, target runtime, Apache, click apply and close. Now we can create one. See the web.xml file, what content is there. See welcome file list. Immediately starting the application, these files will be loaded by default in the home page. So for that we need to create one index file. Right click on web content, name, other, search for the JSP file, click next, give some file name called index.jsp, click next, finish. This is the body. Welcome to web application. This is the content. Demo app. So you can save it. Now you can check the server here. We haven't configured any server for this web application. You choose right click properties and target runtime. See Apache Tomcat we have selected. Okay, let me see whether it is running or not while running the application. I'm running the index file, run as server. So guys, it will start or not? It is not going to start or stop. Give something like it is already there, it will start. Want to check whether it is started or not? You can use the localhost 8080. This is the Tomcat homepage. Still it is not yet started. See, it is giving something error. For that, what you need to do, you have to check few things here. Can double click on the Tomcat server. See, port is 8005, it is already enabled, and 8080 port is already there. Now we can clean the project. Make sure that these two ports are available. Now we can manually enable. Is there any error with? So no, right? Tomcat started and synchronized. Now I can run this file. Click finish. Now we will see the JSP content. See, this is how we want to configure the Tomcat server in Windows 10 along with the Eclipse configuration. Thank you all. That's all. If you like, please make sure that subscribe and comment. Thank you.